We're going to go ahead and remove the spark plug. We're going to pull the cap off. We use a spark plug socket, and we're going to loosen and remove the spark plug. We're going to discard it because we're going to install a brand new plug. The proper size is a NGK BPR2ES is the spark plug replacement for this engine. The spark plug comes pre-gapped. When you open the box, there's a protective collar on the end of the spark plug, so it preserves that gap so that it doesn't get, so it's already preset for you. If you are concerned, the proper gap is 30 thousandths of an inch. But this is pre-gapped. We're going to trust it for today, but you can always use your feeler gauges to gap that plug. And we're going to go ahead and install that spark plug. It's very simple. It threads until it stops. And we're going to go, again, 1/4 turn past where it seats in. It has a washer that actually crushes to take up the tolerance. You don't want to tighten, see how tight you can make it and snap it off and break it, but you're going to want to go approximately 1/4 turn, maybe a little bit more. Once it crushes down, 1/4 turn. And you don't want to over torque it or see if you can put your whole body weight on, just so it's nice and snug. Reinstall the cap, make sure it snaps and clicks down on top of the spark plug.